obtain the Fourier series for the function f of x equal to x square minus 2x in the interval 0 to 2. So solution. So here interval is 0 to 2, interval 0 to 2. That means this one is nothing but 2l equal to 2, l is 1. So here while solving the problem, you must check that whether it is a Fourier series or half-range Fourier series. If it is full range series, then we can write it as 2l equal to 1. Now here f of x is x square minus 2x. So here we check whether the given function is even or odd. So here to find even or odd, put upper limit to minus x for x. So here f of x equal to x into x minus 2 by taking x as common. So here we are replacing f of x as 2 minus x. Then we are getting here x is nothing but 2 minus x into x is 2 minus x minus 2. So 2 get cancelled. We are getting minus x into 2 minus x. So here we can check that the given question is x into x minus 2, but by replacing x equal to 2 minus x, we are getting minus x into 2 minus x is nothing but minus f of x. Then the function is said to be odd. Bunny.
ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ, ನೀವು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಈ ಸಿ.
ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಪುನಃ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ
ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫೈಲಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಔಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಟ್ರು. ಸೊ f of x is odd function, then we can say that a naught as well as an equal to 0. Now f of x is nothing but a naught by 2 plus summation 1 to infinity an cos n pi by l. Here l is 1, so cos n pi of x plus summation 1 to infinity bn sin n pi of x. So here we have written that a naught as well as an 0 for f of x is odd function. So hence these two become 0. We get summation 1 to infinity bn sin n pi of x. This is f of x. So we consider this as equation number 1. Now here we are going to find out only even function, only odd function, that is bn. Then we can write the formula directly. 2 dividing by l. L is 1 integration 0 to l. L is 1 f of x sin n pi x into dx. So here the question limit is l equal to 2, l equal to 1. So here I am writing l equal to 1. So here L equal to 1 and x, f of x is nothing but x into integration 0 to 1 x square x into x minus 2 into sine of n pi of x into dx. So we can write it this as x square minus 2x into sine of n pi of x into dx. So if we write it in this way, then we can use the integration by parts easily. Here we consider this as u and this as dv. Here if we have three terms, we do not have the integration by parts formula for three terms. So here 2 into, I am writing u as it is x square minus 2x, and I am integrating this sine become minus cos n pi of x dividing by component is n pi. Then minus is there in the formula. Then I am differentiating this x square minus 2x. X square is 2x minus 2x differentiation is 2 into minus is there minus integration of cos is sine n pi of x dividing by, we already n pi is there, so we are getting one more n pi square, plus differentiate this 2x minus 2. So 2x minus 2 differentiation is 2 minus 0. So we can write only 2 into integration of sine is minus, but here already minus is there. So we write it as cos n pi of x dividing by n pi power 3. Limit is 0 to 1. So limit is 0 to 1. So here open bracket. So now we apply the upper limit. So instead of substituting and simplifying the terms, we substitute this one directly. So here for we check with sine n pi x. If we substitute 1 here, it becomes sine n pi. Sine n pi is 0. Sine 0 also 0. So this term becomes 0 directly by substituting upper limit as well as lower limit. Now twice. So apply the upper limit. 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2 into minus cos n pi by n pi. Then here minus this one is 0, complete term is 0, so no need to substitute this value, plus 2 times cos n pi by n cube into pi cube. Remember this is cos n pi, we cannot cancel this n pi here, minus apply the lower limit. See here x is 0 here, with this becomes 0, and this 2x, if we substitute 0, this becomes 0, so the first term become 0. First term become 0. Then here we have the last term 2 times cos 0 dividing by n cube pi cube. See this simplification practice so that you can understand this concept easily. Now 2 is taken common, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so minus into minus is plus, cos n pi by n pi, or else see 1 minus 2 is minus, minus into minus is plus, cos n pi is minus 1 whole power n dividing by n pi, plus 2, here I am taking 2 common, and n cube into pi cube also I am taking common, so that cos n pi is minus 1 power n minus cos 0 is 1. Now further simplification is difficult, so we can stop the problem here itself. So this is Bn. So f of x is nothing but summation 1 to infinity. Bn is nothing but, so 2 times minus 1 whole power n dividing by n pi plus 2 dividing by n cube into pi cube of minus 1 power n minus 1 into sine n pi x. Obtain the Fourier series for f of x equal to x square minus x in the interval minus 2 comma 2. So here obtain the Fourier series is given. Solution. So interval minus 2 to 2 total interval is 4. So a 2 minus of minus 2 is 4. This is nothing but 2l. L is 4 by 2, 2. Otherwise, this itself we can remember, this is the form of minus L to L. L is nothing but 2. So here we check whether the given function is even or odd. So to find even or odd in minus L to L, so what we must do, we must put x equal to minus x. So f of minus x equal to, given function is minus x square minus of minus x. So here minus x whole square is plus x square, minus into minus is plus x. This is, you can see the given function, this one is not equal to f of x and not equal to minus f of x. So this is f of x is neither even nor odd. See, when the function is neither even nor odd, then f of x should be written as a0 by 2 plus summation 1 to infinity an cos n pi by L is to x plus summation 1 to infinity bn sin n pi by 2 of x. So here we cannot say that a0 an or bn equal to 0. We must find out all the 3 Fourier coefficients. So here first we write it a0. So a0 is 1 dividing by L into integration c to c plus 2L into f of x into dx is the formula, and 1 dividing by L is 2 integration, the limit minus 2 to 2 is given, so we write it as it is, and the function is x square minus x into dx. So we integrate this one, 1 by 2, x square is x power 3 by 3 minus x is x square by 2. So substitute minus 2 to 2. So here 1 by 2. So we apply the 2 here, upper limit 2 power 3 by 3 minus 2 square by 2 minus, apply the lower limit, minus 2 power 3 dividing by 3 minus 2 power 2 dividing by 2. So it is nothing but when it is upper limit, I am substituting 2 minus in between and applying lower limit minus 2 in the place of x. Now 1 by 2 of, so this is 8 by 3. Here minus, we can cancel this one, we get only 2 here, minus open bracket minus 2 power 3 is minus 8 by 3, and here this is minus 2 whole square is plus 4, and here minus is there, so minus 4 by 2 is 2. So do the simplification carefully, and here multiply the minus, 8 by 3 minus 2, minus into minus is plus 8 by 3, then minus into minus is plus 2. So here 2 get cancelled, 1 by 2 into this is 2 times 8 by 3. So here we can cancel this 2, we get the answer 8 dividing by 3. This is A naught. A naught is 8 by 3. So we must find out A naught by 2. So A naught dividing by 2, that is 1 by 2 into 8 by 3. So we get the answer 4 by 3. So we consider this as equation number 2. We consider this as equation number 2, and the f of x we consider as 1. This f of x is 1. Now we find out an. So an is 1 dividing by L is 2 integration minus 2 to 2 x square minus x into cos n pi by 2 of x into dx. So here I am integrating this one directly. So do it a little bit carefully. And here x square minus x, we must write it as it is. Then integrate this cos. Cos integration is sin n pi by 2 dividing by n pi by 2. So minus is there in the formula, and differentiate x square. X square is 2x minus x is 1. Then integration of sin is minus cos n pi by 2 of x dividing by n pi by 2, we are getting once again, so we get n square pi square dividing by 2 square plus, so once again we must differentiate this 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 is 2, 1 is 0, remember, do it carefully each and every term, and minus cos integration is sin n pi by 2 of x dividing by one more n pi by 2 we get, so we get n cube into pi cube by 2 power 3. So limit is minus 2 to 2. Note, so I am substituting upper limit, lower limit, both are same, so I am substituting for sine. So sine of n pi by 2 into 2. 2 get cancelled, sine n pi is 0. Even if we substitute minus 2, this become 0. So this become 0 for upper limit as well as lower limit. The first term and the third term become 0. No need of substituting the limits. So now 1 by 2 of. So first term is 0. So I am getting second term, minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2, minus 1 into, here already we substituted, so we can write it directly, cos n pi. Then here we reciprocal this one, or we can take it as common, minus, apply the lower limit, so minus 2, So 2 into minus 2 minus 1. So do the simplification carefully, and here, so this minus is the, sorry, already we have taken minus into minus as plus here, so we get cos of minus n pi is nothing but cos n pi. So upper limit and lower limit, by substituting we are getting this one, and here we must write the denominator part. So denominator is nothing but, so it is nothing but common for both the term, n square into pi square dividing by 2 square. So 1, 2 we can cancel here. So we can cancel 1, 2, and we reciprocal this term, 2 dividing by n square into pi square, and here 4 minus 1 is 3 times cos n pi is minus 1 power n. Then here minus 2 into 2 is minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Here minus is there, plus 5 into cos n pi is minus 1 power n. Then we can write it as 2 dividing by n square into pi square. This is 8 times minus 1 power n. So if you multiply this one, we can write it as 16 times n square into pi square of minus 1 power n. So this is nothing but an. Similarly, bn equal to 1 dividing by l is 2, integration minus 2 to 2 x square minus x into sine n pi of x into dx. So straight away I have written the formula. We apply the integration by parts, or we integrate this one directly. So here x square minus x into integration is, so here by 2 is that, so integration of this one is minus cos of n pi by 2 of x dividing by n pi by 2 minus differentiation of this one is 2x minus 1 into integration of this one is minus sine of n pi by 2 of x dividing by n square into pi square by 4 plus differentiation of this one is 2 into integration of minus sign is plus cos n pi by 2 of x dividing by n cube into pi cube dividing by 2 cube is 8. So limit is minus 2 to 2. So already we have seen that sign becomes 0. So this one we can write it as 0. And we apply the limits. So I am substituting 2 here. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here into, I am reciprocaling this one, minus 2 by n pi. This become 2 is substituted, cos n pi. Cos n pi is minus 1 power n plus this one is reciprocal. This become 16 dividing by n cube into pi cube. This become minus 1 power n. Then minus, apply the lower limit, minus 2 square is 4 plus 2 is 6 times minus 2 by n pi into minus 1 power n. For this one, 6 by n cube into pi cube of minus 1 power n. So here this is 6 times is there, this is 4 times, so this is 16 times. So here multiply this one, minus 4 by n pi into minus 1 power n, plus this is 16 times plus, and here minus we are getting, so 16 by n cube into p cube into minus 1 power n. So this become minus into minus is plus, 12 by n pi into minus 1 power n. This is minus into plus is minus, 16 times n cube into pi cube into minus 1 power n. So first term, fourth term and the second term get cancelled, and this one by adding we are getting 1 by 2 of 12 minus 4 is 8 by n pi into minus 1 power n. So we cancel this one, we get 4 by n pi of minus 1 power n. This is equation number 4. Okay, write all the values. A naught by 2, an, bn. So here we have bn. Bn is 4 by n pi into minus 1 power n, and see n is 16 times. A naught by 2 is 4 by 3. So a naught by 2 is 4 by 3. An is 16 by n square into pi square of minus 1 power n. So write it carefully. See the equation number 3. Now we write the substitute the values in f of x. So f of x is a naught by 3 is 4 by a naught by 2 is 4 by 3 plus summation 1 to infinity a n is 16 by n square into pi square of minus 1 power n into cos n pi by 2 of x plus summation 1 to infinity bn is 4 by n pi into minus 1 power n into sine of n pi by 2 of x. So